All right, we're back. Break 776. You got Colorado and Denver next to you. All right, awesome. All right, I'll do my best. Um, so we've got 4 boxes of Stadium Club. Break 776 eBay. Disclaimer is please know that no purchase or payment is necessary to enter the sweepstakes. Check the description of our listing for rules and regulations. Here we go, please. Please. Stadium Club. First time opening it, so let's see what we got here. Ooh, they got these big toppers. Front batty. Oh, shit. Corner's all dented, by the way. I didn't do it. Not really protected in there. It's floating around. God. Why don't we just do this? That's a big old card. Yep. That's 16. That's 24. And that's 32. So 32 times 4. Come on, man. What? No. What? What? 28. 4,000. 4,000. That's what it was. I told you. Awesome. Welcome, Andrew. Thanks for checking us out. Please like, follow, subscribe. For every 5 likes, we'll give away some stuff. I think we're stuck at 22. Andrew's looking for some A's and Rays. I love it. A's and Rays, baby. We are stuck at 22. Weird. So let's see. What are we looking for here? Yeah, why don't you help me out? Limited parallel. Oh boy. We're already in trouble. Members only. It's 1 per case. Oh wow. Okay. Here is a nice Eloy Jimenez Chrome for the White Sox. There's a bunch of the rookies. I'm not even going to name the rookies, but I'm just going to stop on the good stuff. They're the kind of cool though. Ooh, nice die cut. What is this? Triumvirates. Clayton Kershaw. That's a really small die cut. Damn. Dodgers. I guess I should just take less because there's little die cuts in there. I don't want that. We don't want that. There's a red. Vlad Jr. Red and not numbered, but it's red. And our auto, Cody Clemens, rookie. Cody Clemens for the Phillies, I believe, right? Auto. Grissom. Bonus. There's a Virtuosos. I lost my rhythm. I don't like it. I don't like it. There's a red Haniger. So I'm just looking at the Stadium Club. If it's colored and if it's a rookie, we put him aside. We'll definitely penny sleeve him. Any inserts will penny sleeve. Certainly anything that's numbered or auto will be top loaded for you. Maybe Ruth, look at that.
All card ship.
All card ship. There's a red Frank Thomas. That's a cool card right there.
That's crazy.
That's a cool card. Ooh, nice red Simeon Woods Richardson. Check that out. Nice cool auto. Red. Out of 50. 7 of 50. Simeon Woods Richardson red out of 50. Garrett Mitchell.
One in every 8 packs as well.
Is there now? Let me just make sure.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Gotta get in the rhythm, guys. Give me a second here as I go through this one really quick time, just so to make sure that the rhythm I'm in is the correct rhythm. It's all about the rhythm. We all know that. Motion of the ocean, guys. Motion of the ocean. Not the size of the boat. See? I told you I missed the red one of Bryce Harper. Reds are not numbered unless they're autos, I guess. So, alrighty. I think I'm doing okay. Second stack. Beam Team is a case hit. I thought you were reading this stuff. Not reading this stuff. Gunner. Oh, this is an orange. Like really orange. Out of 199. 134 out of 199. DL Hall, orange. What? What happened? Should I be worried? There's another chrome. Oswald Peraza. Red rookie of Hope. That was cool. Photo. Cool photo. Cool photo. I miss Stadium Club. As a kid. I still love it. It was like the high-end stuff back in the day.
Roller line right there.
No, I didn't. There is a roller line. I was pointing out how orange that was, but I didn't pull out. There's a roller line apparently that I'm gonna try to. Oh.
There, yeah.
Alvarez, Jordan Alvarez, red. This is the, you said it was black?
Yeah.
Shane McClanahan, black Stadium Club. It's called black?
Black foil.
Black foil.
Black foil.
Shane McClanahan from Tampa Bay is the black foil. As I'm going through this, there's a red Urias. I gotta look at this thing and then see if it's a rookie. This thing, is it a rookie? This thing, is it a rookie? Is it a rookie? Is it a rookie?
The rookie should be right underneath the Stadium Club.
What's that?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
What?
Huh? Okay. That's right. Rookies. Alright, box 2.
Thanks for that, Travis. I did not know that.
David Poppy Ortiz. Your postcard, guys.
Have fun shipping those.
Just send him a picture like an NFT and say, you own it.
You own this.
Any word from Tyler?
No, man.
Wow. Does he still send stuff here?
Nope.
Huh?
No.
Oh, he just ghosted us.
He was sending stuff to the P.O. box, but I don't know.
He just
I wrote him. He never asked.
I know, I wrote him too. He just ghosted us. He said, bye-bye. I don't like you. You think he blames us because his flight got canceled or whatever? No, because he got stopped at the border. I mean, it's not our fault.
Why would he?
Well, ever since then, when he couldn't come to the National, he kind of, I think he soured on the U.S. of A. All right. People come, people go. You know who's been here forever? Tyler.
Who?
I mean, Travis.
Wait,
I'm thinking
wait,
of
what?
Tyler. That's why. Travis has been here forever. It's not always under. So nice try though. Oh, you're wrong. Okay, you're wrong. Here's an orange of Cal Ripken Jr. That's going to be out of 199. 9 of 199. Cal Ripken Jr. One off his jersey number. You were wrong, sir. There's a chrome of Papi again. Alrighty. And there's the black of the box. There's Giancarlo Stanton for the New York Yankees. That's the black. There's a red India. All right, there's Black Snell. What are you doing over there? Awfully quiet.
Oh, I gotta send invoices.
Oh, invoice time, huh? Yeah, that's important. Gots to get paid. Otherwise, you know, lights turn off. Woo. Gunnar Henderson red. Rookie. Yogi. There's a die cut of Michael Harris. Nice chrome die cut. Red Rhino. Ryan Sandberg red.
He said I love these.
Aranda red rookie. There is a Marcus Wilson rookie for the Boston Red Sox on card auto. Marcus Wilson. Oh, Boston. Autos look cool.
The on cards are autos are
Cool, right?
outstanding. Man.
Outstanding.
Outstanding. He
That
said.
man loves that outstanding. Never get in between him and his outstanding. Red Oscar Colas. There is another black. There's two blacks staining. Two.
One in every 8.
Oh, okay. Evan Gaussman. I thought it was a lot.
So shocked.
I thought it was a little rarer. I guess not.
You thought wrong.
Okay, we've established that. Thank you. Cody Bellinger, red. Kick a man when he's down, huh? Okay. All right. Wagner.
What was this latest that you picked up?
Upper Deck 99, 2000, and 2000, 2001. Gunnar Henderson. What?
What's in there?
Possible Jordan on card autos.
Same
and,
thing?
and patches, yeah, different stuff, but not on his rookie. The other one I got has a chance at a rookie auto.
Got it.
Juan Soto. Going yard or hard? Yard. Why are you laughing? Red, Drew Waters, and another auto. I thought we were supposed to pick only one auto. Two autos? Alex Call. And put a Bible verse, I think, in there? Or number 16? I don't know what the hell he wrote in here. Is this a Mets number 16, or is that Matthew 5:16? I don't know. It's above my pay grade, guys. I don't get paid to study the Bible just for you guys on this thing. Figure it out. Okay, just figure it out. Oh boy. All right. Base. All right.
Yeah, the little guys are 1 per auto.
1 per auto.
1 per 5, 1 per auto.
Are we at 25 yet?
No, we're stuck at 20.
Ichiro.
Stuck at 20.
Well, we were stuck at 25, 22. Now we're at 23. We can't give away packs until you get us to 25, for Pete's sake. Travis says, Tovar, Tovar. It's almost like Toga, Toga from Animal House. You never seen Animal House, have you?
I think I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Name me one actor that's in Animal House.
Don't know that.
Said, fuck you, man.
Some questions, I don't have answers to.
I mean, you have answers somewhere in that noggin.
Not to that.
No. You probably know a lot about techno.
No, I don't.
No? I don't know why I think you do.
I don't know why you assume things.
You drive a Subaru, that's why. You probably had a Mitsubishi Eclipse back in there when you were like...
No.
No.
My first car was a Mazda 6.
Oh, then you definitely know it.
What?
Techno.
Car was a Mazda.
Mazda. I had a 626, bro. I know. We're compadres. We both know something about raves and... Here is a Bob Gibson orange, numbered, I think. Well, usually the oranges are. I guess this one's not. Orange, Bob Gibson. Interesting. Don't know what to say about that. Don't know what to say about that. Alright. Yeah. Belushi, thank you, Travis. Here's the black, not so rare, Jeff Bagwell. Here's back-to-back black of Molina. That's interesting. It'd be funny if all of them end up being black now. Like, that would have been hilarious. But it wasn't to be. Red, stadium called Matt Chapman. Spencer Dwight. Did you ever go to raves or no?
Warehouse.
Yeah. Red, Juan Soto.
I used to put them together.
Warehouses?
No. The warehouse parties.
Did you?
Yeah. 5 or 6 of them together.
And then you say you don't know anything about fucking house, how about the techno music. You're such a liar. Let me look at your eyes. Are you rolling right now?
Stupid.
Tatis, red. Oh, that's so long ago.
It is.
Red, Marte. How about a Brandon Hughes autograph for the Chicago Cubs? Brandon Hughes auto.
We're at 20.
We're at 25. Time to give away and stay alive. Ooh, this guy. Good hair. Bay.
What?
His name is G1 Bay.
Oh, okay.
You couldn't have set me up any better. What? His name is G1 Bay. What do you want me to do? All right, the keyword is techno.
Really?
Yeah, techno is the word, everyone. Type techno in chat for a free for a chance at a free pack. Alec Thomas, red. That's Techno. Andrew's
like-
looking for Ricky and Canseco. Looking for some old school.
People are like,
Hey.
you want me to write what?
You better write techno. There's a black Yu Darvish.
Got
Red.
In. 5 in.
Valdechuk.
6 in.
Uh-huh. Jones. Type techno in chat, everyone. Techno in chat. For a chance at a free. All you have to do is be in any break tonight, whether past or present or future. Any break tonight, you are eligible for. We'll do a chatter giveaway of a free pack. All you gotta do is write the word techno. Honus Wagner red.
What?
What? What?
Funny.
There's a funny situation happening? How about a Pete Alonso Triumvirates die cut? Red Jackie Robinson. Did you hear he stole Jackie Robinson's statue? For Black History Month? They stole his statue, his actual, I think it's bronze statue.
Really?
Yeah, they cut the, like, right from the legs. It's crazy. Dalton Guthrie, rookie.
I had no idea.
Phillies, I believe. Alright, we'll run it after I'm done with this. Give me a second here. Clam your tits, everyone. Alright. Oh, check that out. Don Mattingly. This is what he looked like after a bender. Sweating out that fucking vodka out of his neck. Check that out, man. That Mattingly right there. That's good old Yankees right there. New York. Sweat. That's definitely Studio 54, right? Coming out of his pores. All right, last chance to run. Techno. Who's the winner? Sasquatch. Oh, fucking love that name. Who's got Sasquatch?
When I see these names pop up, sometimes I'm like,
Sasquatch, congratulations. What team do you have in what break? And what would you like? We have some Archives baseball, some Top Series 1 baseball, some new Stadium Club. Was that a blaster? What is that?
it's a compact hobby. That's what they call
Ooh,
it.
compact hobby.
Not
We have
compact.
one. We have a select UFC, NBA hoops, Topps Chrome soccer, and an elite football. Steelers in the next break. He's like, I'm right here. He wrote his name. I'm right here. All right, Steelers in the next break. That's cool. So what would you like there, Mr. Sasquatch? Will Clark.
I see these names pop up sometimes. I'm like, I'm not telling him when he sees it.
Oh, that's beautiful. I love the Squatch. The Steelers in 777. What would you like? It's the Donruss Elite Hobby? No, the Donruss Elite is, what is it again?
T-Mall edition.
T-Mall. It's T-Mall.
T-Mall.
We just finished our box of Origins in football. We'll have to get some more of that, I guess. Or something. For football. You do one of those? All right. You got it.
If you're just joining,
Sure.
for every 5 likes, we do a free giveaway of a pack. We're currently sitting at 25, so once we hit 30, we'll do another one.
Got it, Squatchy. Squash. Break. Number 777 Steelers. That's Q, I'm right. Alright, good luck. We'll send that to you, and if you get anything good, send us a picture or tag us on Insta or MySpace or whatever we're on these days. Are we on schedule? Probably not. I'm probably running 15 minutes behind. 15, 20 minutes.
What's up, Apollo? I got your message. Good luck to you.
I love Phoenix.
Do you?
Will do. Fingers crossed. Ooh, coo. I'm usually right on time, but today, not so much. Sorry about that, guys.
Yeah, there was a lot of shenanigans in the beginning of the night.
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
For about 15 minutes, right?
Yeah, 15 to 20 tops. Here's Going Along Yards or whatever. Freddie Freeman. Logan. Sometimes it just happens. We were having a good time. I was, at least. Red. Vientos. How about...
Look at that. We're at 30. Thanks, everyone.
Damn, that was fast.
No.
Bay Auto. Bay Auto.
Oh, Bay showed up?
Bay showed up. Check out that hair, bro. Love that hair. I'm jealous.
Football crowd showed up. So.
Yeah, so they're always good for 20 likes.
Thank you, everyone, for all the support.
How about an orange Patrick Sandoval? See, this one is numbered, so
I don't know why they didn't number that
76 of 199, Patrick Sandoval.
That's weird.
I don't know either. I don't make it. I just break it. It's sticking together. Tyler Freeman. We got the black Ruiz. Red Jimmy Rollins. Watch football tomorrow.
I am. For those of you that are new to us, if you overpaid for shipping, like if you didn't get combined shipping tomorrow,
Red Walker.
we always go back and adjust. So you will get a refund tomorrow for any shipping adjustments. So FYI.
Yeah, so don't worry.
Every Sunday we adjust.
DL Hall Red. Sunday's the adjustment. We do everything post production.
Post production. Sunday's adjustments.
Yep. How about an Austin Riley die cut?
And for you football fans,
Red O'Neal Cruz. Auto, sorry, of Drew Waters. Very good. Drew Waters for Kansas City. Drew Waters, on-card auto.
we are running that jersey giveaway tonight. So if you bought into any football break, obviously tonight or through the month of January, we're going to random all of the spots at the end of the night for that jersey giveaway.
It's just the night that keeps on giving.
Oh, yeah.
How about a red Liberatore?
We got to figure something out.
Red Joe Ryan.
February. You got nothing? You were thinking.
I don't even know what to say because I think you did it. I think you did it yourself. I have nothing to
It's
say.
pretty good, right?
Yeah.
No?
Giancarlo Stanton.
Maybe we'll do...
A black Machado.
Oh, you know what I think we should do?
What? Maybe
2024 Series 1 is coming out. Maybe we'll do like a... Those autos were terrible. Sorry, Paulie.
red Mushal Stan playing pool. What were you thinking of giving away?
Oh, maybe we'll do... I don't know. Box?
No, we're sticking with the memorabilia.
Yeah.
So, better go find a bet or something. Good luck shipping that. All right, well that's it. It's we'll have some more Stadium Club next week.
Not that. Add that at the end. That's the case.
All right, here we go. We had an orange DL Hall out of 199 for Baltimore. We had an orange Cal Ripken Jr. out of 199 for Baltimore. We had an orange Bob Gibson for the Cardinals, but for some reason it was not numbered. I don't know why. We had an orange Patrick Sandoval out of 199 for the Angels. Our autographs were Cody Clemens, rookie. A red Simeon Woods Richardson for the Twins, and that was for Minnesota out of 50, 7 out of 50. Marcus Wilson for Boston. Alex Call for Washington. Brandon Hughes for the Cubbies. A Dalton Guthrie for the Phillies. A Jiquan Bay for the Pirates. A Drew Waters for Kansas City. And I guess this is the case hit. Beam Team. Cal Ripken Jr. Beam Team. All right. We'll be right back with somebody once told me with absolute